And we are starting with you, the province.
Are you ready? Women learn from each other. What is the biggest lesson that you've learned from another woman, and how did it improve your life?
Opo, Your Honor, ang teacher ko po si Teacher Rubilin. Your Honor, hindi ko po alam. Ever since po si Teacher Rubilin lang po yung nagturo po sa akin.
Next we have Fabio.
Here we go. What is your breakthrough or big achievement, and how did it improve you as a person?
Your Honor, hindi ko pa lang po siya masyado maalala po ngayon. Okay lang, check ko po. Wala po akong maalala po na mayroon pong any records po. Your Honor, i-check ko po. Tapos, balikan ko po kayo.
Next, please join me here, Kainta.
Okay. Women have admired you all throughout your life. Now tell us about how you have inspired another woman.
Your Honor, nagtatrabaho po ako sa farm. Nag-aalaga po ako ng baboy. Nagpapalaki po ako, nagpapakain. Nagpapapanganak po ako ng baboy po. Sa farming po talaga kami, Your Honor.
Next is Bulacan.
You are beautiful and confident. How would you use these qualities to empower others?
Your Honor, tutorial po.
And now, Taguig.
What is the biggest challenge you face as a Filipino woman, and what do you do to hurdle the challenge?
Hindi ko na po maalala po, Your Honor.